Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can easily complete the repair yourself. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01 from the electrical outlet. Safety is paramount, so ensure the vacuum is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws that secure the outer casing of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Set them aside in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the outer casing with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips while doing this. With the casing removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your vacuum, including the cable. Inspect the cable for any visible damage or frays. If you see any issues, it's time to replace it. Locate where the cable is connected to the motor and the power switch. You may need to use your pliers to disconnect the old cable from these components. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Next, take your new cable and thread it through the same openings as the old one. Connect it back to the motor and switch, ensuring that the connections are secure. It's essential to double-check these connections for safety reasons. Now, before reassembling your vacuum, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate inside the vacuum, reducing its efficiency. Use a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior surfaces, paying special attention to the motor area and filters. Once everything is clean and the new cable is securely connected, it's time to reattach the outer casing. Align it properly and press it gently until the clips snap back into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened firmly but not over-tightened. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD01 and test the new cable. Ensure that the vacuum powers on and operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues or prefer assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free service. And don't forget, before any repairs, we provide a quote before repair so there are no surprises. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.